This is a 5-minute exercise routine that's built to help your future health. I'm going to make you stronger, healthier and fitter just all in 5 minutes. So if you're ready, let's get started. Here's a preview of the first move. We start with a side step to then take it to a small narrow squat, then back another side step back to that narrow squat. So really simple little move for exercise 1. So let's get ready. Step that across, take that to a narrow squat, step it across, narrow squat. If you don't like doing squats, then you could always just take that, hold it still, and then just follow on with doing the side step. So the key here is always make sure when you are doing a squat that you don't let your knees come over the line of the toes. And a good way to do this is just focus that you are about to sit on a chair. So we just lean back and always keep your toes slightly lifted. So you can see on the left, that timer there represents how long you've got left on each move. And we've got 5 moves in total today. That's good. And take that to that deep step across. And doing really well, nearly finished. All right, let's have a look at the next move. We go for a knee lift either side and then a toe tap out. So a lovely full body move. And again, we're going to get ready to take that to work towards our future health. So let's start with that knee lift for me. Take the knee up and then tap out the other foot. And this is move 2. You can see on the timer there how long you've got for each move. And this daily exercise is all about strengthening your heart and improving your circulation. And this is, as said, always about having better health. That's good. Draw that knee up, tap that foot out as far as you can. And also just focus as you take that knee up, keep that upper body straight. That's good. Tap it out and knee coming up, and just 5 minutes, that's all it takes today. And last few on move 2, and well done. All right, let's have a look at move 3. So for this one, a really lovely full body move that's also really lovely for mobility and stretching. We're just going to swing either arm full in front and then tap that foot behind. And again, you can see how long you've got on each move. And this is all about, as we age, what we want to do is really build muscle and strengthens our bones, because in our future health, it's going to help prevent falls, fractures, and also a loss of independence. So this is why what we do now is really key for our future health. That's good. And really exaggerate those arms, take them up. So we're working through that fullest range of motion. Tap that foot behind. And just go for those last few on move 3, doing really well. And let's have a look at move 4. So for this one, we're going to do these heel raises with an arm swing for 4. And then we're just going to go for 4 of these standing single leg lifts, alternating from side to side. If you struggle a bit with balance, place a hand on a wall. So let's get ready. And now lift one leg. 3, take it 2 and 1. Now give me that calf raise. 1, take that 2, 3 and 4, and then just repeat. So lifting that leg out to the side. And this is really good because we're also really helping to look after your cognitive health. We're working on your brain health here, your memory. So this is really good to look after every aspect of our health. We're looking after your muscle health, your bone health, your metabolic health, cardiovascular health, and also our brain health. That's good. And then come up onto those tiptoes. And let's just finish off with that lateral leg swing. So last move, let's have some fun now. And we're just going to do it where we're taking heel taps in front to then a punch in front with a toe tap. So we're going sets of 8 approximately. Tap those toes in front and give me those front arm punches. And then what we're going to do is every 8, take that to a heel dig and arms coming up. So just have fun with this. We're on the final move today, just 5 minutes just exercising. You've worked every single muscle. And this is all about just really helping to look after our metabolism, bone health, muscular health, joint health. That's good. And just keep alternating with those arms punching in front to then punching them up. And the great thing is this is low impact. So you could do this workout every single day. Just 5 minutes for you, for your health. And last little bit. And that is your 5-minute workout complete. So well done, there is your high five. And what you and I have just done in those 5 minutes is simply invest in your future health. And I'll see you back on my YouTube channel tomorrow.